In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add webcam to OBS Studio 2026. Add face cam to OBS. First, get your camera connected. If you're using a USB webcam, plug it directly into your computer and give it a few seconds to initialize. If you're using a DSLR or mirrorless camera, connect it through a capture card and make sure the camera is powered on. A quick tip here: close any other apps that might be using the camera and make sure any privacy shutter on your webcam is open so OBS can access the feed. Now, open OBS Studio. Look toward the bottom of the window for the scenes box. A scene is like a canvas that holds your content, your gameplay, slides, and of course your face cam. Select the scene where you want the camera to appear, or create a fresh one if you prefer to keep things organized. Next, move to the sources box, right next to scenes. This is where you add elements to your scene. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list that appears, choose Video Capture Device. This is the source type for webcams, capture cards, and most cameras. You'll be prompted to name the source. Give it a clear, memorable name like webcam or facecam so it's easy to find later, and click OK. Naming matters when you start building multiple scenes and want to reuse the same camera source without confusion. A properties window will pop up. Open the device dropdown and select your camera or capture card from the list. If you don't see an image right away, wait a moment, then confirm you chose the correct device. If the preview is still black, double check that no other software is using the camera and that your cables are firmly connected. If there are resolution or frame rate options visible, you can leave them at default for now unless you know the exact settings you want. When the preview looks good, click OK. You should now see your camera feed on the canvas. To position it, click the feed and drag it to where you want it, often a corner of the screen for a face cam look. To resize, use the red handles on the edges and corners. Keep an eye on your composition so you're not covering important parts of your content. If your camera disappears behind other elements, check the sources list. Items at the top appear in front. Simply drag your camera source above gameplay, backgrounds, or images so it's visible. Once everything looks right, you're all set. Your face cam is now added to OBS and ready for streaming or recording.